Hello friends, I'm Dr. Satin Kumar Yadav. Friends, our today's topic is financial market. Friends, as you know, the market is a place where we can sell and purchase the products. In similar manner, the financial market is a market from where we can sell and purchase the financial products. In the financial markets, the topics we will cover: the definition of the financial market, financial intermediation, functions of financial market, and types of the financial market. First, we will talk about the definition of the financial market. Friends, financial market refers to a market where creation and trading of financial assets take place. Here, financial assets means the financial products or financial instruments. For example, the financial products are shares, debentures, bonds, and treasury bills, commercial papers, etc. Friends, financial market is plays a very important role in the allocation of the limited resources in the country's economy. Financial market, it acts as an intermediary between the savers and investors by mobilizing the funds between them. Savers, those who are having surplus money, and investors, those who need money. Savers and investors. Savers, generally, they are the suppliers of money, and investors who are representing the demand. Financial market is creates and exchange the financial assets. The example of financial products or financial assets or financial instruments are the shares, debentures, bonds, treasury bills, and commercial papers. These are the some examples of the financial assets which are sold and purchased in the financial market. If we talk about the what is the mechanism of this financial market, friends, there are three parties. One is households, means savers, those who are having the surplus money, they want to save their money in the market. And second one is the business firms. Business firms, they are demanding the capital, they need money. And the financial intermediary, financial market, the financial market is collecting money from the households and allocating money to the business firms and with the help of the financial institutions. And these financial institutions are maybe the banking institutions and non-banking institutions. We supply our surplus money in these financial institutions, banking and non-banking institutions, and the business firms, they take money from these financial institutions. Now, the financial intermediation. What is financial intermediation? Financial intermediation means the financial institutions like banks and non-banking institutions, they are collecting the money from the households or the savers, and they are supplying this money to the needy or the investors. Generally, they are the firms or government. The process of allocating funds from saving surplus units, households, to saving deficit to industries and government. Government means industry and government, they are the borrowers, and households, they are the savers or the lenders in the financial market. Our next point is functions of financial market. Friends, the main function of financial market is mobilizing and channelizing the money from households to the farms in a most productive use. Productive use means for generally business use, and this financial market facilitates the transfer of saving from the savers to the investors. For example, you deposit money in your bank account. You are the saver and you are the supplier of money. And another party who is a firm, they are taking a loan from the bank. They are investors. It means the main function of the financial market is channelizing and mobilizing the funds from the savers to the investors. In our example, in the depositing bank, you depositor is a saver and Borrower is an investor and bank is an financial institution or banking institution or intermediary. Financial market help people to invest their savings in various financial instruments and earn income and capital appreciation. For example, if you purchase, you invest your money in the shares. It means you will get some dividend on your investment, and company is raising the capital by issuing the shares. And this stock market is an intermediary facilitate mobilization of savings of people and their channelization into the most productive use. Productive use means for business purpose or any activity which will of financial market is facilitate price discovery. Friends, price discovery here means the determination of price. How we can determine the price of any product. Here the financial products. Friends, the price determination is depends on the demand and supply of the products, whether it is a normal product or it is a financial product. For example, in this COVID-19 situation, we are seeing the demand of shares is very less and supply in the share market is very high. It means very few people are interested in investing in the shares, and most of the people they are selling the shares. That's why the share market is down, declining day by day. And before COVID it was around 42,000, and after COVID, during the COVID it has decreased up to 28,000. So what is the reason with who is determining the price of the shares? Demand and supply. If demand is low, the share price will go down. If demand is high, supply is low, then the price will go up. So demand and supply, these are the market forces which determine the price of all financial products. Now, business firms represent the demand and households represent the supply. Business firms represent the demand because they need fund. They are raising capital. That's why they are representing the demand side of money. And households, those people who are having the surplus money, they want to save their money. They represent the supply. Third important function of financial market is provide the liquidity to financial assets. Friends, financial assets here means financial products. Liquidity means the in layman's language you can say the convertibility into cash. So these financial instruments are can be sold and purchased anytime. If we need money, then we can sell and convert into cash. Financial markets provide liquidity to financial instruments by providing a ready market for the sale and purchase of financial assets. Whenever investors want, they invest their savings into long term as well as short term. It depends on their requirement, and whenever they want to cash, they can sell their financial assets. Then next fourth financial function of financial market is reduce the cost of transaction. Friends, any transaction we perform in the financial market for investing in financial product, there are if financial instruments have been spent by the to find each other. If this financial market will reduce the transaction cost, then number of transactions will be increased. There is a negative relationship in number of transactions and transaction. Less transaction will be performed. If brokerage is low, more transactions will be executed in the market. Investors can buy and sell securities through the brokers who charge a nominal commission for their services. Here, securities means shares and debentures. If we invest our money in shares and debentures, then we have to pay a normal commission to the brokers. Now, the types of the financial market. Financial market deals in two types of the financial instruments, long term and short term. Friends, financial market is two types. One is capital market, second one is money market. We can differentiate in these two markets, money market and capital market, on the basis of the time period. If we buy and sell the financial products for a period of less than 1 year, it comes under the money market. It is a short-term market. Short-term requirement for a period is less than 1 year. And capital market, if we buy and sell the financial product for a period of more than 1 year, it comes under the capital market. First, about the money market. The money market instruments are treasury bills, commercial papers, call money, certificate of deposit, and commercial bill. Friends, I have prepared the separate videos on these money market instruments. You can watch these videos on treasury bills, commercial papers, call money, notice money. I have already uploaded in this channel. So money market instruments for a period of less than 1 year. These are the money market instruments or controlled by the Reserve Bank of India. And investors are generally the banking institutions, LIC, individuals, financial institutions, and others. Now, second one is capital market. Capital market is a market where we buy and sell the financial assets for a period of more than 1 year. Long-term investment, long-term buying and selling. Primary market and secondary market. Friends, primary market, the example of primary market is IPO, initial public offer. When a company issues the shares first time, initially, it is called initial public offer, or in other words, we can say we are directly buying the shares from the company. Then it is called primary market. It is called the secondary market. We do not know the sale, who is the seller and who is the buyer. Okay, and this capital market is regulated by Securities and Exchange Board of India. And friends, the participants of the capital market may be the banks, may be the investors who invest in the shares, debentures and bonds, mutual funds, and in some insurance schemes. Okay, friends, so we can say the capital market instruments are shares, equity shares, preference shares, debentures, bonds, etc. And the financial instruments or financial products of money market are treasury bills, commercial papers, call money, notice money, certificate of deposit, etc. Friends, it was all about the financial market. I hope you enjoyed and about this overview of the financial market. Thank you.